My name's Oscar. I'm with Spark Construction. I'm an asphalt shingle technician. Today's date is July 29th, 2025. Claim number 1529716-0444506. We're on the back side of this repair now. We're gonna go ahead and repair this shingle right here. We're going to do the same thing as we did in the front. We're going to go ahead and let go of both nail zones. The first direct nail zone and the end nail zone that intertwines. I'm going to label them N1 and N2. So I'm going to go ahead and release the first tab. See which way our shingle is going. Okay, so it's going 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and release the second one. Third one. And then we gotta do nails on 2, the one that intertwines with the shingle. Alright, so we let go of both nail zones. The next step is to identify where the first nail is. It starts right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this nail out. 1. 2. We are using our special tool. This tool allows us to get in there without having to lift the shingle at an angle. 3. 4. There we go. First nail zone out. We're gonna work on the second nail zone. 1. You guys can hear the granule loss. 1. 2. 3. 4. Make sure it doesn't have a fifth one. It doesn't. If we did this correctly, this should come right out. We use this side so we don't have to angle the shingle when we go in. Once we nail it back, we'll use the other side. And I'll show you guys how that works. We got our old shingle out. Can you pass me the new shingle? The reason why we have to take out 2 nail zones. If you see one nail zone is above, the direct nail zone is this nail zone. This nail zone above is the one that intertwines with the shingle above. So as you guys can see, if I were to put this in, you guys picture this as being inside of the other shingle. This is where the tab starts, it's aligned with the other one. Our first nail zone, and then our second nail zone intertwines with the shingle above. That's why we have to let go of 2 nail zones. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and slide this in as gently as possible. Hopefully this underlayment is in there properly. Alright, this one was not overlapping funny like the front one was. Alright, we gotta make sure it's in line. We got the shingle in line. We're gonna go ahead and start putting our nails back where they belong. Start with our first nail. This tool allows us to put the nail under. We're not going at any angle and nailing it right in. Now we take it out, put it on top of the nail, and our first nail is in. 1, our second nail. Obviously, to get the nail under, we have to, no matter what, lift the shingle. So that's why we're lifting the shingle here. Because if not, how else would we get the nail under? Weak nail right there. Again, I have to put the nail under, so. That's two. The third one. And the fourth one. Four. Now we gotta do our next four. One. Two. Three. And four. We got all our 8 nails back in this process. I'm gonna underline what has occurred. In order to repair one shingle, we had to let go of nails on one, and nails on two, because the shingle intertwines. In this event, in this process, I'm gonna put arrows at what has occurred. So I'm gonna take after photos so you guys can see what is happening to these shingles when we're doing this repair. Alright, so we're gonna finish up and take after photos. If you guys have any suggestions, please let us know.